Kelly, thanks. Yes, both Mnuchin and Powell defending the government programs and their enactment of it, with really answering the critical questions about this public debate. How soon will the money get out there? Is it going to the right people? Is it enough, or is more going to be needed? That's a critical question I think investors are following. Powell was asked where that Main Street lending program is, which the Fed has yet to launch, and he talked about the difficulty of the Fed getting it together.
Main Street is in a class by itself, really. It's a very diverse, small, medium, and large companies, very different industries with very different credit needs, some of them asset-based, some of them cash flow-based. So it's a really complex undertaking.
Powell did say that the Main Street program and the municipal bond program, where the Fed is going to help the states, both seem to be coming towards the end of the month. They were asked a lot of questions about whether state and local governments have enough assistance and whether or not they could be a cause for the economy suffering another bout of weakness because of layoffs at those levels. Mnuchin asked a critical question. Is Treasury taking enough risk with taxpayers' money to help the economy?
The way these facilities work is in the facilities that don't have any credit risk, such as the PPP. I approve those without capital allocated. By definition, any facility that the Fed believes puts them at risk, I do put up capital. So by definition, that capital is at risk, and we are fully prepared to take losses in certain scenarios on that capital.
I'd say there's a bit of a difference, Kelly, between Powell and Mnuchin on this. Powell definitely seems more concerned about the outlook, seems more leaning towards the Congress doing more, giving the Fed more authority to do more. Mnuchin, more patient, wants to wait and see how these current programs work. He still has $259 billion appropriated by Congress for him to deploy through the Federal Reserve. Kelly?